Mona Heights was the first large middle-class housing scheme development in Jamaica. Construction of the units began in 1958. The scheme was built on 200 acres of land that had been originally assigned to the West Indies Federation. The 630 fabricated units were ribbed precast reinforced panels erected on site. Mona Heights was a welcome addition to housing in St. Andrew, since many families wanted to move from the overcrowded Kingston. Mona Heights off Hope Road was a good distance away from Kingston, so its location was welcomed by those who preferred to be far out of Kingston. Initially, there were negative comments about this type of residence that was not familiar to many in Jamaica. Criticism included, it is little square flat roof concrete boxes, ticky-tacky at its worst. Another comment was that the scheme would be a failure. Some said that no respectable middle-class person, of course, would be caught dead living in a house exactly like 100 others. JLP politician Edward Allen was strongly criticized for describing Mona Heights as a middle-class slum in front of beautiful Hope Gardens. However, Mona Heights soared despite the gloomy predictions. The scheme was close to the growing university campus at Mona. The university bought some of the houses for their transient faculty. Some parents living far away boarded their sons going to Jamaica College at homes in Mona Heights since the community was in walking distance to the school. Young families moved in. The elderly also moved in since they liked the quiet location and its nearness to Hope Gardens. Soon the houses began to look charming as vegetation grew up to hide the boxed appearance and renovations were made externally. Mona Heights became a close-knit family community with residents participating in mutual activities and forming common bonds. As the years passed, elderly residents in Mona Heights passed away and their children inherited their homes. Some owners sold their houses and moved to greener pastures in the corporate or country areas, while others migrated. For those remaining longtime residents, such changes were the beginning of the end of the community's close relationships. The construction and success of Mona Heights was a turning point in home construction in Jamaica. This new type of housing guaranteed the development of similar schemes.